Hi ladies, today I'm going to show you how we're going to be able to add assignments into your Think Central portal for your students, and that way they can access it through the task list. So first we're going to go to our Think Central. I'm logged in and I'm going to go to home right now. The first thing, when you're on this, you're going to come over here to Manage Classes, click Manage Classes. Oops, it's making me log right back in. There we go. You're going to come over here to Manage Classes. You're going to click your class for this year and edit class. You're going to come down here and scroll down here, and this is really important. You're going to add adaptive learning products. Make sure this box is checked, and then this Go Math CA Personal Math Trainer for kindergarten. Make sure that's checked, and scroll down to the bottom and save. Then we're going to come to assignments. Under assignments, we're going to add activity. We're going to come over here to the right-hand side and click Browse. We're going to click the first option that pops up, California Go Math, grade kindergarten. Now we're going to come over here to the left-hand side of our screen. We're going to click Standards. Click the next one that falls down, Common Core State Standards. California Math CC, K through 12. Math 2013. Kindergarten. And now, because of the assignment that we're going to be working on, or the standard we're working on, is going to be in the base 10 in BT. We're going to be working with numbers 11 and 19 to gain foundations for place value. So you're going to come into here, click this. You're going to click NBT 1. And as soon as you click this, all the resources for this standard will pop up. We're going to be using the Interactive Student Edition, the ISE. So you click it, and now you'll have all of the Interactive Student Edition lessons available for this chapter and for this standard. We're going to start with the first lesson, lesson 7.1, model and count 11 to 12. Click Assign. And here we go. I use the 7.1, the number of the lesson, and then name it the same as what the lesson is underneath. It pops up automatically because I already had it in there. I'm just showing you as a rule. 11 to 12. I'm going to keep everything else the same right here, do, and then it will tell students what to do. But you'll want to use this as the name because this is the name in the task list, so parents know what one to click on when they actually log into Think Central. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to come down here and we're going to select your class. I'm going to click My Class for this year. You might have multiple classes, so just make sure you have the correct students. Here are my students for this year. I'm going to add all of them to my assignment. They should now be on the right-hand side of the columns. And now I'm going to change my due dates. It depends on when you have this due. We have it due this week, so I have it on the 20th, and we have our stuff due on the following Monday just to give those parents that extra time. So then we come down, so make sure that the date is available. Come down here, and we click yes, because I want students to be able to see their answers. That way, if they know if they made a mistake or not. So click yes for students to see their own answers and press save. I already have this, so I don't need to do it. So I'm just going to press cancel. When you're done, instead of having to go all the way back, you can actually close this one out. You can close that one out now because now you can go back to the tab that's left open, and now you can go to the next assignment to assign. And now it opens up another tab, and you can do 7.2. Count and write. Oops. Right. 11 and 12. In the same way, select your class, check your class, make sure it's the right one, add all students, change the dates again, and save. And that should be it all.